Welcome back, everyone. Blech. I hate how stupid YouTube videos start. We'll throw in some graphics in the post. Who the hell am I kidding? There's no post. This is all you're getting. So this is the RKSport ram air hood for the 11 to 14 Charger. Really not much else to show you other than it's the full carbon fiber one. I did not mess with the fenders at all, so that is the gap that you're gonna get. I didn't touch the bumper at all, so that's the gap that you're gonna get. As you can see, there's hood pins. I'll explain that in part 2 of this video about installing those hood pins, and there's a reason behind it, but this one is very solid. There's no flex to it at all. Much better than that Carbon Creations rear deck lid. It came with the holes for the washer nozzles pre-made. Unfortunately, they were a little on the small side, so I had to widen them up. But there was no way to avoid not having them at all because I would have had 2 holes in the hood. Other than that, I'm gonna pause this video and then I'm gonna pop the hood so I can show you the underside. And like magic, here we are. Sorry about the dirty engine bay, daily driver. It's winter where I'm at, deal with it. So the underside uses factory hood latch. Obviously the factory mounts for the hood. And then there's the hole for the ram air, I guess we'll call it. Is that a trademark on Pontiac or GM? If so, oh well. And as you can see, I got the regular stock airbox lid because I got the Hellcat lower airbox, and then I made myself a snorkel for this car with the Hellcat filter. So I don't think I'm ever going to be changing that around. So I guess I just have a hole to vent some heat. But that's where the nozzles went. They already kind of pre-drilled those holes in the lower skin. And then I just had to widen the hole in the upper skin to get those in. Just use a Dremel tool, took my time. And then over here, I did reattach a few of the mounting points for the windshield wiper fluid line because when I had it loose, it would make a snap noise every time you open the hood. So I wanted to try to avoid that. I did get the whole thing clear coated top and bottom. Because I don't trust the gel coat with being out in the sun and all that stuff. But that's about it. Again, RKSport, full carbon fiber top hood for the 11 to 14 Dodge Charger.